Hey everyone, welcome to our fourth installment of Latin Street Foods. Today we're highlighting the country of Honduras with a breakfast sandwich called Baleada. Come on, let's get started.
You're about to have a little taste of what you're missing. But if you cannot stand the heat, get out the kitchen. Full of flavor, flavorful, save your tools. Te vamos a enseñar unas recetas del baúl. Slice, slice, chop, nice spice, hot or mild. We got it, you just name the style. One in a meal, culinary skills, prestigioso. Todo queda sabroso.
Let's start with a salsa that includes charred onions, jalapenos, tomatillos, and poblano pepper.
Now you can make this with a food processor or blender, but I like a chunky salsa, so I'm going to use a mortar and pestle.
The mortar and pestle is a great tool for crushing and grinding ingredients together. It not only adds a unique texture to whatever you're grinding, but it also allows the flavors of each ingredient to meld together. Mash 3 garlic cloves and grind to a paste. Do the same with about a tablespoon of fresh cilantro. Add the charred onions and the charred jalapenos. I covered the charred poblanos to help peel the skin. Add the chopped poblanos. Now add the tomatillos. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and up to 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, or to taste. I add a drizzle of honey just to balance the acidity of the tomatillos and lime juice. Add to an airtight container and this salsa will keep in the refrigerator up to a month. Now let's make the flour tortillas. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1½ tablespoons of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix to combine dry ingredients. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lard, but you can substitute oil or margarine. Now mix the lard into the dry ingredients. Add a 1/4 cup of water or warm milk. If using milk, you'll probably need like a ½ cup because the milk is much heavier than water, so it will take more liquid. Mix until the dough comes together. Add a little flour to prevent sticking and knead the dough for several minutes until the dough is smooth and firm. Place back in the bowl and let it rest for 15 minutes. After it's rested, cut the dough into 6 equal portions. You can double this recipe if you want larger tortillas. Roll each portion into a ball. I'm using a tortilla press to help flatten the dough. Then I roll it out with a rolling pin. You can roll it out thinner, but I'm filling it with a lot of ingredients, so I'm making it a little thicker to ensure that it would hold the filling. In a large pan, cook the tortillas for about a minute on each side. Add a smear of refried beans, a drizzle of Honduran crema, and queso fresco. This is called Baleada Censilla, but I'm also adding Honduran chorizo, scrambled eggs, and the salsa we made earlier. Now that's a breakfast sandwich of champions. There you have it, Honduran Baleada.
Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, smash that like button and click to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, then your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.